Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your SSO account is current and the game client is updated. This prevents permission and UI glitches. Once done, confirm you have the necessary membership or funds because the racetrack often requires a pass. Next, acquire a mount or vehicle that meets racetrack rules. Check its speed and handling stats so you won't be filtered out. As you complete these prerequisites, position yourself near the town hub where racetrack registration is offered and prepare to accept the entry prompt. You now interact with the racetrack NPC or kiosk. Open the race menu and choose the appropriate event type because different races enforce different class limits. Make sure to pay the entry fee right away so your slot is reserved. Some events fill fast. Next, inspect your vehicle's class. Speed, weight, and permitted mods matter. Adjust tuning or equipment to match the race bracket. After confirming registration, join the staging area and follow the countdown prompts to lock in your lane. You begin the final sequence by watching the start lights and launching on the initial green. Accelerate smoothly and hit the ideal racing line to preserve speed through turns. If you experience connection drops, lag, or the racetrack UI won't load, relog immediately and verify game files because that reload often solves asset errors. Once relogged, re-enter the staging area. If problems persist, record the time, server, and error behavior. Then submit a support ticket with logs for faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.